Welcome to ValueMulticaps. ValueMulticaps, SEBI registered stock advisory firm. Geographical boundaries have never restricted travelers in exploring different corners of the world. US, Europe, China have always been the prime choices of travelers. However, the trends in travel and tourism are changing towards Southeast Asia, like India. Today in the series of sector analysis, let's evaluate Indian tourism sector. Rising traveling aspirations, higher growth in number of air passengers, hotel usage for business and leisure travel are some of the key factors leading to demand for bags and luggage industry, airline industry, tour operators and travel agents, which all belong to tourism sector. Luggage has become a lifestyle product rather than an object to carry. Airline has become close to necessity as people see saving of traveling time as saving of money. Hotel has been running fully occupied due to business travel and holiday travel. ValueMulticaps in its stock subscription services has identified few rare multi-bagger stocks. For further details, please visit ValueMulticaps.com. Please stay tuned to this video till end to have complete conviction and faith before buying a stock in tourism sector. As per 2018 report of World Travel and Tourism Council, in next 10 years, India is likely to become the third largest tourism economy. India, which is currently the 7th largest travel and tourism economy in the world among 184 countries in terms of total contribution to GDP in 2017. The sector has potential for growth on the back of increase in disposable income, increase in foreign tourist arrivals, momentum from government-led initiatives. From Indian stock market perspective, tourism stocks, how it becomes an investment case then? Tourism industry contribute 9.4% of total GDP of India in 2017 and is third largest foreign exchange earner for the country. The sector's total contribution to GDP stood at $234 billion in 2017 and by 2027 it has potential to reach $424 billion. The per capita income witnessed 4% CAGR over 2010 to 2017 period, but in 2017 to 2019 it is expected to register a 9% CAGR whopping growth. Higher disposable income is the key driver for travel and tourism industry. With rising per capita income, an individual is inclined to spend more on quality services and towards improving standard of living. In 2017, India has attracted 1 crore international tourists. The government of India has set a target of 2 crore foreign tourist arrivals by 2020 itself and double the foreign exchange earnings as well. The government working to achieve 1% share in world international tourist arrivals by 2020 and 2% share by 2025. Indian tourism campaigns such as Incredible India and Atithi Devo Bhava were launched to harness the tourism industry's potential. In October 2018, statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as Statue of Unity, was inaugurated as tourist attraction. It is the tallest statue in the world, standing at a height of 182 meters. It is expected to boost the tourism sector in the country and put India on the world tourism map. Union budget has provided higher allocation of funds for tourism industry over the period of 2014 to 2018. The budget allocation for financial year 2019 towards tourism is 2,150 crore as compared to just 1,300 crore in 2014, registering a CAGR growth of 11% over this period of 2014 and 2019. Study says that country will add nearly 1 crore jobs in the tourism sector by 2028. The total number of jobs depending directly or indirectly on travel and tourism industry will increase from 4 crore in 2018 to 5 crore in 2028. Fresh investment in tourism sector is projected to grow at a 6.3% rate during 2016 to 2026 period, higher than the global average of 4.5%. Total FDI received by Indian hotel and tourism sector was $11.4 billion between 2000 and 2018 period. Domestic expenditure on tourism has grown significantly. In 2017, the market reached $182 billion, which is anticipated to reach $364 billion by 2027. Let's look at some of the key positive triggers for tourism sector. E-tourist visa launched by Government of India has resulted in increase in the number of tourist visa issued in the country. Government policy support such as 100% FDI is allowed under the automatic route in tourism and hospitality, such as development of hotels, resort facilities. A 5-star tax holiday has been offered for 2, 3 and 4-star category hotels located around UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Air passengers are continuously growing in India, showing higher expenditure on travelling and lifestyle expenditure. The government measures such as Udan Yojana would boost domestic air travel and bring more passengers here. The number of passengers travelling by air has clocked a CAGR of 12% in the last 10 years. How the Indian tourism and hospitality works, how its current position today. The Indian hospitality sector is highly fragmented with a large number of small and unorganized players. This increases competition. Entry of new player is easy as it is not capital intensive business, but a player needs to achieve economies of scale and access to distribution channel to compete. See the categories of tourism industry. Hotels. Accommodation here could be hotels and motels, apartments, guest houses, lodge, houseboats, resorts. Transportation. It comprises of airline companies, cruise services, railways and car rentals. Travel agents. A fragmented sector with a number of independent travel agents and many online businesses. They also sell associated products such as insurance, car hire and currency exchange. Tour operators offer customized tours including travel, accommodation and sightseeing. Over 70% of the air tickets are now being booked online in the country. Look at the size of opportunity. It is massive for India in medical tourism, heritage tourism, adventure tourism, luxury tourism and pilgrimage tourism. Medical tourism, tourists need specialized medical treatments, mainly in Ayurvedic, spa and other therapies. The presence of world-class hospitals and skilled medical professionals makes India a preferred destination for medical tourism. India's earnings from medical tourism could exceed $8 billion by 2020. Tour operators are teaming up with hospitals to tap this market. 2 lakh medical tourists arrived in India in 2016 as compared to 1.3 lakh in 2015. Heritage tourism. Tourists visit India for its cultural heritage in various sites. Indian heritage is reflected in various temples, majestic forts, pleasure gardens, religious monuments, museums, art galleries, and at many urban and rural sites. Adventure tourism such as trekking, bungee jumping, mountain biking, river rafting, and rock climbing. Luxury tourism. The luxury travel market in India registered a growth rate of close to 13% in 2016, highest in comparison with any other BRIC country. Pilgrimage tourism, one of the biggest contributors to tourism industry, India being a religious hub for different types of tourists every year. We hope these insights on tourism sector will build your conviction in buying tourism stocks and help to build wealth as an informed investor. Please remember to sign up into our website ValueMulticaps.com if you want to have free stock market research report and newsletters with hot stocks on fund manager and analyst trader. We will love to see you in our comment section and in our email inbox as well. Thank you.